This is what I got from my first beauty event. Right! Iisa-isahin natin siya. Let's go. First, this one from Careline. We have two products here, the lip drip oil and the Canva pot. Nilagyan na namin siya ng ganito for keychain. Pwede kasi siyang i-customize sa event. So, nilagyan ko lang siya ng dalawang heart. And this one, nilagyan ko lang siya ng kabitan for the bag. Pwede mo siyang isabit ng ganyan. And isa lang yung nilagay ko, star lang. This is in the shade Sunbeam. And also the Masterpiece Canva pot. Thank you, Caroline! Woo! Ito yung bingo card natin. Ito yung unang-unang event ko for beauty event. I love it. And nung best friend ko, so marami pa kami puputang event. And sana ito na yung simula. This one is from Ever Bilena naman. Kaso, naiwan namin yung ina-engrave na parang keychain. Nakalimutan namin kasi after nung break, sabi balikan na lang namin. So after nung event, nung kinuha na namin yung planner, hindi kami nakabalik. Nagutom na kasi kami, na kami para kumain. By the way, this is Toast of New York, the OG of Ever Bilena. So meron tayong non-drying, lightweight, one swipe color, liquid lipstick. Ooh, cute! Matte yung kaniyang component. And this is in the shade OG. Ang swatch na is this one. Okay! Toast of New York Fake Palette. Actually, bibili dapat ako nito kasi mahilig ako sa pinkish shades. Pero ito, ayan tinan mo. Combination na siya ng both. Meron na siyang pink, may nude, may brown, parang peach, may parang maroon, may light, may highlighter, and all. Ayan, ganyan siya. Shot. So this one, napanalo na natin siya for the Spin the Wheel ni Lancome, the Intimate Soft Matte Lipstick, and the shade 315 Heart and Sink. Ooh, ang cute! Ang sexy niya pag ganun. Cute! Pinipindot siyang ganun, no? Bam! Ang pretty! Like the color! Oh, ang ganda ng color. Ganda ng color, mahal. I love this! Get ready with me. Lip Boost Tinted Sheer Balm. So, this is how it looks like. Pag ganyan siya. Ganyan siya kadami. Pwede ba natin siya ipatong? Ang ganda! Wait, try natin kung siya lang mag-isa. Ganda! So, next, we move on sa Hello Bag. Marami tong laman. Planner! Big Dreams Journey or the BDJ 20th edition. And they also have this one, yung Perks of Bella Coupon booklets. Marami siyang mga vouchers. Thank you so much! Hello Glow! Hair Saver Dry Shampoo. The Scent Collection. Bam. Uy! So, meron siyang 3 products here. The Pink Rose Powder Mask. Freshen up without wash. Thank you so much! Hello Glow! Mababango silang lahat. Try nyo to, guys. One Day Lush Up Silky Volume Mascara from K Palette. Thank you so much! So, this is how it looks like. So, it's a brown mascara. Boogs. The BW Women. Ang cute ng box na to. Itatabi ko to. 4 bottles of their perfume lotion spray. Rose scent. The Bliss Bloom Musk. Ito, try natin to kasi mahilig tayo sa lotion. Pero ang nakakatuwa dito, this is a perfume lotion spray. So, ang weird niya. It's new to me. You know. Bango. Anyways, try ko yan isa-isa. Thank you so much, BW Woman, for this PR package. Thank you so much! This is the set of Do It Bright. 3 products here. First is the Brightening and Clarifying Facial Cleanser. The Step 2, which is the Brightening plus Hydrating Toner. Step 3, Do It Bright Brightening plus Nourishing Cream. We got all these 3 and actually tatry ko na to tonight kasi wala na akong pang hilamo from Wayoyu. Thank you so much, bye Peanut! Ooh, ang cute nung nila, yung cream nila, meron siyang spatula. Hygienic na rin siya, diba? So, ito yung unang-unang ibibigay sa inyo doon sa event upon registration. Pero halo-halo na to ng mga iba pang freebie from the booth and also from the registry. So, here's what's inside. Ang dami niya. So, let's start first with this. So, nakuha ko to from Get Ready With Me, their tote bag. And ang cute niya because it's red and ganito siya kalaki. Beauty is personal from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Bam! Ang cute. Diba? Magagamit ko din to for sa laptop and all. But also this bag, ang cute nitong bag kasi malambot siya and pwede ko siyang lagyan ng laptop too when I go out. Shiseido GWP Mini Shoulder Bag. So, para siyang phone bag or just an errand bag. You can put your wallet, mini wallet, your phone, your lipstick. Pwede mo siyang isabit ng ganyan or pwede mo rin tanggalin yung strap so you can just bring it like this. Ayalu Serum Spray. So, yan. Ang dami ko ng serum spray. This is intense hydration and skin radiance with 4 types of hyaluronic acid, white truffle, and niacinamide for all skin types. So, pwede siyang gamitin before, during, and after makeup. The Hyalu Pore Repair. So this is matte finish water cream. Oh, this is a sunscreen. This is a hydrating sunscreen perfect for acne prone skin. This is how it looks like. And oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Para lang siyang water. Hindi siya malagkit. And I'm loving it. Kasi natin ng malagkit na sunscreen. And look, nag-shine siya ng very light. So, hindi mo siya super matte. Meron siyang onting glow. I love it. I want it. I want it. I want it. From Spotlight, Dewdrop Melted Lipstick and the shade Coraline. Tada! Oh! Ah! Mukhang gusto ko na rin yung color. Ang ikot siyang ganon. Ay, shit. Buti na lang di ko siya sinobrang ikot kasi ito pala yung hindi na nababalik. Oh my God. Okay, so ito yung color niya. Di ba? Ito yung nagme-melt. Ang ganda niya. Ang moisturizing din niya. Damage Care from Missensin. Meron siyang steam effect and then the hot oil steam cup. The Spotlight Eyelash Curler. Rose gold siya. Ay na agad. Kita nyo yan! Ang taas! Panalo! Tinang yung difference, oh. Parang singkit ako dito, tapos biglang, bugs, sa kabila. Diba? Ganda. From Lancome again, this is the eye routine set in the shade, charis, wala siyang shade. Okay, meron siyang 3 products inside. Crayon Kohl. Oh, this is black eyeliner. Non-oily instant cleanser. Parang siyang micellar water. Parang pang ice talaga. Aha! Mascara pala siya! Okay, so gets ko na. Meron tayong 500 voucher brow house. Get ready with me. Shade finder in light. Happy Skin blush balm. And the shade It Girl. Cute niya, oh. Matte yung color niya. Tada! Ooh! Ang ganda ng color! Pretty pink. Okay. Ang ganda. Meron siyang shining, shimmering, splendid. Pero hindi siya glitter. Parang siyang pasa lang, ganon. Shiseido again. The Deep Cleansing Foam. Revital Essence Skin Glow from Shiseido. This is their foundation as well. Tada! Cute. Foundation Detain. Ooh, medyo whitey-whitey siya sa akin. Hydrating cream from Shiseido as well. Essential Energy Hydrating Cream. I believe this is a facial cream. Cute! Magagamit natin lahat to kasi mahilig tayo sa mga ganun. Cute, oh! Parang siyang maliit na bote na malaki, ganun. Shiseido's Lift Define Radial Serum. This is a sunscreen PF50++++. Okay. Vital Perfection, White Revitalizing, Emulsion Enrich. Oh, okay. So, para rin siyang cream. Dami palang skincare na nga Shiseido, no? A Spotlight Matte Lipstick and the shade Vintage Rose. Oh, akala ko nasira. Okay, so buksan na natin. Ooh. Diba? For everyday look lang. Okay, that's how it looks like on my lips and on my skin. Shiseido cream. Ang daming cream. Dito siya. Ang cute naman. Amoy mayaman. Vital Perfection from Shiseido. Okay, so para siyang toner lotion. Okay, so we have another cream. Tada! Bango din niya. Lifting and Firming Advance. And the other one is Concentrated Supreme Ultimune Eye. This is an eye cream naman. Oh, diba? A card holder from Lancome. Pwede siyang idikit sa likod ng phone. You can put your cards here and put this inside your bag. And last but not the least, we have few testers here from Shiseido and Lancome. Again, I would like to thank Project Vanity, the founder, Miss Liz. Thank you so much for that very wonderful event for small content creators like us. Yeah, we're looking forward to attend more. Thank you so much and bye-bye!